Hello friends, welcome to Saltysmiles, a food show full of smiles. Today is a very special day because I am launching another new series on Saltysmiles. Saltysmiles Sauce. This is a series dedicated to everything and anything related to sauces, condiments, jams, oils, anything that accompanies the meal or makes the meal better. And to kick off this new series, I need to bring out my helper. It's Squirt. What's up, Squirt? Anyways, Squirt knows all about sauces and he's going to help me out today as we make this awesome sweet chili garlic sauce with a fruity twist. Have you ever had sweet chili garlic sauce? It usually comes in a bottle that looks something like this. But why not make it at home? It's super easy. Let's get started on this episode of Sauce. The first thing you're going to need are mild chilies, mild red chilies. That's what lends the color to this sauce. I'm using Fresno chilies today. They look like jalapenos, but they aren't jalapenos. I'm going to need this for the bulk of the sauce, but I'm also adding some bird's eye chilies just to up the spice a little bit. We're going to chop the ends off the Fresno chilies, and then we're going to chop them into manageable pieces. And then we're going to take the tips off the bird's eye chilies. Then you're going to need about a dozen cloves of garlic. That's about a full head peeled. After you have your chilies and garlic, we're going to send them both through the food processor, and you want to mill them pretty fine. Like, you don't want a paste, but you don't want any chunks. After you've processed your chilies and your garlic, you should have about a cup's worth of chilies. That's all the chopping prep. Now it's just time for cooking. So grab a saucepan and we're going to add half a cup of water. And this is the part that makes it fruity. I'm adding a half a cup of guava juice. Guava is this great pink color. It's naturally sweet. It has a bit of a tang. It's so good in this sauce. So that's my fruity twist. Then you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. This is a sweet sauce, so quite a bit of sugar. And half a cup of vinegar. To that you're gonna add salt to taste, 1 to 2 teaspoons, and all of your chilies and all of your garlic. Put this on a flame and bring it up to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, bring it down to a simmer. We're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes. You don't want this to boil hard because it has a tendency to boil over, so make sure that you've got a gentle simmer here. While your sauce is simmering, we need to prepare our thickening agent, and we're using a cornstarch slurry for this. I'm using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to just stir that until it combines. After your 10 minutes are over, check the sauce, see if you want to add any bit of extra seasoning. If you need more sugar or more vinegar or salt, this would be the time to add it now. But my sauce tastes great, so we're just going to go ahead and add the slurry in bits and make sure to stir after each addition. This ensures that we don't have a clumpy sauce. After the slurry is added and you have let it simmer for a few seconds to cook out the flavor of the starch, it's done. That's it. So turn off your flame, and we're going to just put this into any container you would like. Other things you could use in this sauce that would be really awesome instead of guava would be like orange juice. I've done it with orange juice, or pineapple juice, tamarind juice, some lime or lemon zest, maybe both. Just anything for that fruity sour mix. And just like that, in less than 15 minutes, you've got sweet chili garlic sauce with a fruity twist. This sauce goes great with fried food. So fried shrimp, fried egg rolls, fried chicken. And if you want to see my egg roll recipe, click the link here. This would be great with it. Great with the egg rolls. Let me try one more. So good. This sauce, by the way, is way better tomorrow once the flavors have like all come together and it's completely chilled. Squirt! We made an awesome sauce together. Thanks for watching this episode of Sauce Boss. If you like this recipe, let me know down below. And if you make it with any customizations, let me know. Let me know how you feel about it. And until next time, Sauce Boss. Bye-bye.